My name is Ellen Callies, and I traveled in from La Crosse, Wisconsin. I just retired. I owned an art gallery for 20 years, fine art and fancy goods, and my husband retired 2 years ago. I'd like to look 10 pounds lighter and 10 years younger, so easy. It's fairly traditional, classic. I like to look put together. I'm seeing somebody that looks put together. I thought he cut it really short, and he didn't. He used my natural curl, so it'll be easy going forward. And that's, for the next 20 years, that's what I want. I hope you edit that out.
I will.
Because
I'm not. Mostly just get that look on your face.
If you like my video, subscribe to the Makeover Guy and ring that bell. Baby! Yeah. Ring it! Ring it, baby!